For lunch today, I made a roasted beet salad with goat cheese and pecans. Beets are super healthy and they can help lower your blood pressure. I don't know if y'all been stressed out like I have, but I could use all the help I can get. You're gonna start by removing the top and bottom of the beets, and then you're gonna wrap them in foil. If the beets are big, you can cut them in half and then roast half at a time. You're gonna take these little foil packets and put them in a 400-degree oven and cook them for an hour. Once they cook for an hour, you are going to let them cool for about 10 to 20 minutes until you can handle them and you can peel the outside of it off. If you want to wear gloves so your fingers don't stain, feel free, but my bestie is a champ. Take the beets and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Next, you're going to want to put them on a plate, and I drizzled balsamic glaze over the top. I got this balsamic glaze for like $3 from Trader Joe's. It's way easier than making your own. Next is some crumbled goat cheese, also from Trader Joe's. It's pretty cheap. And then I'm going to sprinkle some fresh parsley over the top for color. And last, top it with some honey. This is my first time cooking beets and I was super impressed. I ate every single bite on this plate. Oh, and this is when I forgot to sprinkle pecans over the top of it. You can choose almonds, pistachios, any type of nut you have, but I really like pecans. This recipe was healthy and delicious. Thanks so much.